Hi, this is Dan from Paracord. Today I'm going to be making a double cobra weave keychain with a dog tag weaved into it. What you're going to need here is about 82 to 85 inches of paracord, and then maybe a 6 to 8 inch piece to weave through the dog tag to hold it on. I have the rest of my tools here, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do here with this piece is we're going to half it. Okay, and we got the loop end here. This is perfectly in the middle. Okay, then I'm going to flip it over. Okay, and I'm going to hold it upside down just like this. Okay, then you're going to take either side, it doesn't matter. I'm going to start with the right side and I'm going to loop it over just like that. Okay, and then this piece is going to come over that piece that I just looped or just passed through here, over this piece, back behind and through the hole. Okay, and then pull it through. Now this is where you want to make the size of your keychain. You can make it as long as you want. The longer you make it, obviously the more paracord you're going to need, but you want to make it long enough to where your dog tag is going to fit on there. So you know, you can do it similar to this one. I might even go a little bit longer with this one. Okay, so that's about good right there. Okay, so now if you look over here, you have your loop started, and so you're going to do your regular cobra weave. The side of the loop, that's what side you overlap, and then you come around same way you started, and here's your basic cobra weave. You got your loop over here and you go all the way down. Okay, once I get close to the end and I only have a few more wraps left, what I do is I take my small piece, I'm going to melt the end and tuck it in between these two pieces here. Okay, so I got it tucked in there. Try not to get all the melted stuff everywhere. And now I'm going to do a few more knots. Alright, so you got enough left here to loop in a key ring. Now, I don't know if I like this little piece showing here, so you can cover that up if you'd like, or leave it. I guess it really doesn't matter. So let's see. If we wanted to do that, we would probably need to take one of these back off, bend this down, and then do one more here. Okay. Now, alright, that's not going to show. It's not going to be sticking out right here. Okay, so now what you want to do is you flip it over and you start cobra weaving back the other way so that you have all one piece. You don't want to start with a whole new piece here. So I got my loop on this side, so then I'll just lap this over here and do another cobra weave. Okay, so there's that. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dog tag. You want to go through the top. I've already melted and made a little point with this guy. So I'm going to run it down. Okay, and then I'm going to keep it up like that and then continue my second layer of cobra weave. And I'm just going to go all the way down. Okay, now I got to where this lines up perfectly. So now I'm going to run the other side, and this is going to be from the bottom up. Okay, now what I'm also going to do is I'm going to take my forceps and I'm going to tuck this tan cord through the bottom of this. Just give it something to grab onto there. And now I'm going to continue doing my double cobra weave. And if you notice, I'm getting pretty close to the end of my cord. So it looks like I actually made it the perfect length. I mean, look at what I have left, and I'm actually do one more. So maybe 85 inches if you want a little bit extra. But then again, I did make it a tad bit longer than the previous. So alright, so there you go. It's I'm done tying knots. So now what I'll do is cut the end here, cut it pretty short, cut these ends pretty short. Okay, then I'm going to get my lighter, melt these off. Well, I'm going to go with the big guns. Get this guy out here. Alright, now I'm going to melt off the end and then push it down. Alright, and there it is, done with your nice little custom dog tag. I had these stickers made custom to fit here. You can always get some vinyl and print it out and then cut it to where it fits perfect. It's not going to be as good as this, but it'll be close. But now you have a little keychain, and one of the reasons why I make it double cobra is if you make just a keychain this size of the single, you really don't get a whole lot of paracord. So if you have double, you actually get, you know, about 80 inches of paracord. So it works out pretty good for you. So there you go. And then so there's two different sizes there. Thanks for watching.